Time now for a check of your North Central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a great Wednesday. Boy, it was a cool one out there, and we had a lot of what we thought we'd see today, and that's those low-lying clouds, also some haze and mist out there in the afternoon today. Some very foggy conditions to our east this morning. Luckily, we didn't see a lot of that, but this was what we had this afternoon looking down from our Omi Gardens Sky-Fi Tower camera. And get ready for the first white stuff of the year here in the Wenatchee area, and that will begin tomorrow night late and especially overnight and into Friday. The chance that Stevens Pass could see 24 inches of snow. It says a 50% chance of that. I think it's even better than that as we get into Saturday and Sunday. Lower elevations, we'll probably see about an inch or two, maybe 1 to 2 inches. That'll be by Saturday morning here in the Wenatchee area. So be careful as you make that morning commute on Friday. Could see some slick roads, and that goes for the end of the day on Friday as well. We'll talk more about that coming up in a bit, but look at that. Freezing mark is all we could get to unofficially today at 32 degrees. 38 is where we should be for this time of year. 63 our record high, and that was set in 1995. This morning, 28, exactly where we should be for this time of year. And our record low, boy, 1985 was a cold one. 5 degrees our record back then for an overnight low. Sunrise 7:25, and the sun set this afternoon at 4:13. All right, let's take a peek at what we can expect as we get you into Thursday, and temperatures maybe a little bit warmer. We'll see with that cloud deck still in place tomorrow. 32 in Moses Lake and Ephrata. 33 for Quincy. We will be the warm spot right here in Wenatchee. We're hoping for 35 tomorrow. 34 at Eniat and Chelan, and then just a little cooler. Leavenworth 33, Lake Wenatchee high temperature tomorrow at 31. All right, tonight we can expect, let's look at the big picture first. Wet weather pattern setting up. Here we are right here in the Pacific Northwest. 1, 2, 3 areas of low pressure, and they are wet ones, and they are headed our direction. An atmospheric river is actually going to set up by the time we get into Sunday, and I'll talk more about that coming up as well. Tonight you can just see the edge of that trough trying to nose into the northwest. We will see chilly temperatures overnight tonight with mostly cloudy skies, mid-20s for highs. For Thursday, mostly cloudy day. We'll see about a 40% chance for evening snow showers. During the day, not so much, but as we move a little bit later, yeah, here's that chance for snow by tomorrow night. High temperatures tomorrow afternoon in the mid-30s for Friday. Our best chance for snow. Cloudy skies, look at that, a 70% chance of snow. We could see maybe 1 to 2 inches on the ground by Friday night. High temperatures in the mid-30s. And boy, a lot of cold weather has sagged down into even the south central part of the country. By Saturday, a good chance for morning rain and snow. Some rain even heavy in the Cascades. Tapering off, I think, in the afternoon, but we will warm up. Notice our airflow coming up from the southwest. We'll see highs on Saturday near 40 degrees. For Sunday, that's when that atmospheric river develops, and that means some very wet weather for us. All of western Washington could see up to an inch of precipitation on Sunday. We will continue our warm up with high temperatures Sunday into the low 40s. By Monday, kicking off our work week, look at the size of that third storm. A 70% chance of mainly evening and afternoon showers on Monday, and we will continue that warm up again on Monday. We're going to get all the way up into the mid-40s for high temperatures Monday afternoon, and then by the end of our forecast on Tuesday, we're going to stay with that wet weather. Cloudy skies, a 70% chance of rain. Once again, some heavier rain in the Cascades, and we will stay mild too with high temperatures above normal into those mid-40s. All right, let's take a look at your 7-day forecast. 23 overnight tonight. That will be one of the coolest temperatures we've seen this season. And then the wet weather begins. Snow Thursday night into Friday, 1 to 2 inches possible. 24 inches may be possible along Stevens Pass this weekend. And then we'll see it warm up, and we will switch over to rain. Morning rain and snow on Saturday, and then all rain Sunday right through Tuesday. 42 the high Sunday, 44 on Monday, and all the way up to 46 degrees for a high temperature on Tuesday.